Hey, what's up? It looks like I am becoming a fan of Juplink company because I tested their every product. Last month, I have tested Juplink RX4 1800 Wi-Fi 6 router. You can also watch the videos about Juplink RX4 1500 Wi-Fi 6 router and Juplink EC3 1200 Wi-Fi booster. In this video, I want to tell you about another Wi-Fi range extender. It is called Juplink EC3-750. Wi-Fi repeater has 750 megabits per second maximum Wi-Fi speed, 11 EC support, WPS support, 2.4 and 5 GHz band support. By the way, you can use this device in repeater mode, access point mode, and router mode. Okay, let's do unboxing and full review of Juplink EC3-750 Wi-Fi booster. You know, I really like when there is all information about device on the box, so you can see the image of Juplink EC3-750 Wi-Fi range extender, as well as its main features and even details about manufacturer. Inside the box there is Wi-Fi booster itself. 3 adapters for different countries, user manual, custom service, and troubleshooting paper. The user manual is in English and it is very useful. You should definitely read it before using the device. Let's start with dimensions of Juplink EC3-750. The size of the new Wi-Fi booster is 98 by 60 by 90 mm. The weight is 91 grams. One of the main features of this Wi-Fi repeater is removable adapters. There are 3 adapters in the package, so you can use the device in any country. Wi-Fi repeater has a reset button and power on/off switch on the right side. There is also a mode switch on the left side. On the front we can see WPS button, as well as 5 LED status indicators such as power, when LAN, only LAN, 2.4 and 5 GHz. By the way, there is also a peak Wi-Fi signal strength LED indicator in the center. The Juplink EC3-750 Wi-Fi repeater has LAN, WAN port and only LAN port on the bottom. So you know the new Juplink Wi-Fi booster has many LED indicators, buttons and switches. That's very good. Now let's talk about connection and how you can use Juplink EC3-750. As I already said, you can use Juplink EC3-750 in repeater mode, AP mode, and router mode. The connection is similar for all these methods. First, you need to move the mode, switch to up, repeater or router. Then plug in the device into power outlet. The next step is to power on the repeater with a switch on the right side. Now check if power, 2.4 and 5 GHz LED indicator light up. If so, then you can connect Juplink EC3-750 or EC750 5G Wi-Fi network on your PC or laptop. Okay, we are almost done. The last step is to open browser and go to router.juplink.com website. The login and password is admin. In Admin Center, you need to click on Repeater Wizard. Wait a little and then choose your Wi-Fi home network. After that, enter the key from your Wi-Fi network and click on Save. That's all. Okay, it's time to test Wi-Fi speed of the new Juplink EC3-750. First, I want to check Wi-Fi speed of my Xiaomi router. By the way, it is located at a distance of about 15 meters from the smartphone. As you can see, the speed is about 70 megabits per second. Now let's connect to 2.4 GHz network of Juplink EC3-750. Wi-Fi repeater is located at a distance of 1 meter from me. The speed is only 16 megabits per second. However, you can connect to 5 GHz network and then the speed will be almost 50 megabits per second. In any case, it is less than the speed of my Xiaomi router. You know, it was a big surprise for me that Xiaomi router at a distance of 15 meters provides better Wi-Fi speed than Juplink Wi-Fi repeater, which is very close to the testing phone, about 1 meter. I don't see any point using Juplink EC3-750 Wi-Fi repeater. Perhaps it will be useful in a big house, but in my small apartment, Wi-Fi booster from Juplink doesn't work. If you already have Juplink EC3-750, write your impressions about it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.